Hello, welcome to Tom's Cubes and Games. Now, previously I made a video showing you how to make your own boot image for R36S with Arcos. And today I'd like to show you how to do that with L35 with the stock OS. So we'll take out our card, pop that in the PC. Now, let's close that. By the way, Windows might say there's a problem with the drive, click to repair or format. Do not allow it to repair the drive. It'll erase it. So the card with the L35 has two partitions, in this case D and E. We want the EmuElec partition. Let's just make those extra large icons. Yeah, and we've got logo BMP and logo kernel. Now when it starts, it shows logo for about a second and then logo kernel for a few seconds. So what I shall do to preserve these, we can go to properties and just rename it add on back or something like that. So it's not recognised as a BMP anymore, it will just sit there harmlessly. Alright, so that's both of the original boot files, and then what we need is BMPs, and there must be 640 times 480 pixel BMPs, 24-bit. So 640 by 480 BMPs, and I've prepared a couple here I'm going to use. And if we look at the properties details, we see it's 24-bit 640 by 480 BMP. So I'm going to copy these two which I've prepared, and go back to the EmuElec partition of the card, paste those in, and then whichever one I want to start first, I want to rename as logo BMP, and the second one, which lasts for longer, logo kernel. Good way you could go to properties and copy that name. Control C for copy. copy to paste. I'll do the same with that. Okay, I've missed the P, I'll just type that in afterwards. Control C. And remember to type the P of BMP. There we go. And that's it. So we'll eject the card. Pop the card in. And now when we boot up, fantastic stuff. Right, well, thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.